Okay, and picking up where we left off in the gallery view, I'm going to show you one of our individual item records. I'm clicking on the fin here for the shark. So this is an item view of one of our records. It shows the image up top, and then down below is the metadata record. So first, looking at the image, there's two buttons here. Download file will download the JPEG, and that JPEG will retain the digital identifiers, the digital identifier for the file name. So if you want to go through and download a bunch of different images, they're all going to have their respective file names as a digital identifiers. So feel free to do that, and you can sort through them later. Excuse me. See full record down here will take you to the metadata record down below. If you're clicking on an image here and zooming around, you can also toggle to full page, which will give you a full view, full screen view of the image. Oops. So I'm actually going to go down now. Here are social media icons where you can post to Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, all that stuff. The title, creator, this is the collection. If you click on this link, it'll take you back to, it'll pull the entire collection within the results list. And all of this is the metadata, the date creative, descriptive information. This is going to be exactly as it was on the caption that was written on the casing of the 35mm slide. So these have been transcribed in the digitization process, and that's what we are working from. Topics here, this is the Library of Congress subject heading, and earlier when I showed you the collection page and how I'm pulling in school trips, shipwrecks, and hurricane damage, I'm pulling in based on these topics, which are we added to the record. And then here's some information about the type of format that this digital image comes from, which is a 35mm color slide. BISC National Park Service is our contributing institution. This is the box number that this image is from, and the sheet number as well. If you look at the identifier, digital identifier here, you'll notice S1 SSA, which means Series 1 Subseries A. So when the Subseries B items are uploaded, they'll have S1 SSB, and that's one way to know which subseries you're in. This is a permanent URL, so if you want to share just one particular image with somebody, you can copy and paste this and send it along. This should never change. And here we have our rights information down here, that this is in the public domain because it is taken by a federal employee. So that's kind of your tutorial for just looking at a specific record.